Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today being so blessed with another entry into my 400 SUBBIE challenge giveaway. Unfortunately, the giveaway has ended and I did award a winner. Congratulations again, Kathy from Katso Creates. And so I so appreciate, this is from Andrea Strobo. She's here on YouTube. I don't believe she does videos, but I will link her channel in my description box below. And so let's see what she sent. Can we have a card? It says hello. Hi Maka, congrats on over 400 subbies. Hope you like my entry. It's only the 5th one I've made. Lots of love, Andrea. Oh, that's cool. Look, it is beautiful. Let's see. Okay, right here. I don't want to. How am I gonna? Okay, hopefully I can still. How pretty. So look at, I just messed this up, but then I can reuse it. But yeah, look at the packaging she sent. How cute is the flower? And I love this puffy sticker. Now look at her Memorydex. How cute. Look at how beautiful. This is the girls from Hobby Lobby. I forget who they are. But how cute. She's got this lipstick sticker, this flower. It even has like tulle or some kind of organza in the back. Enamel dots. And then this flat pearl. And then she has this ephemera diamond piece. Okay, so and then how cute is this paper clip? She just added this little tassel to it. So cute. Thank you. And this girl, I don't know if she painted the girl or not, like watercolor, or if she came like that. Pretty. And then she has this love sticker. Just says her favorite color is blue, pinks, and pastel. Her crafty style is clean and simple. Her birthday is July 8th. Oh, happy belated birthday. She's Andrea Strobo here on YouTube. She doesn't make videos but supports many channels. So thank you so much. I appreciate it, Andrea. I'm sorry your entry didn't get here in time. But I do really appreciate your support and the love for my channel. And guys, go check out Andrea. Maybe you guys can encourage her to start doing videos. But I hope you guys are staying safe. And until the next video, shakas.